Right, right, when I was doing the red guide thing on the other rotor assembly, it stuck to it. This iron board is steel, so it sticks to it, the magnets stick to it. Right, got it. Alright, as you can see, it's really nice and shiny now. I wasn't happy about it because the other one, it had a very broad red rim. I just didn't like it. It didn't look nice compared to the other one, so I redid it and basically had to strip it all off. Use my chisel, and it was an interesting experience because it made me aware of how good a bond it was, and it really sticks really well. So it's given me a lot of reassurance that it's not going to come off. Oops! That's how this iron board's steel. So I've done both of them the same, except that this one's got holes in. I'd made this modification later on, but it won't affect it at all. It's just, yeah. Anyway, so I've got both rotors done, but I remembered I needed the back plate to go on here because there's take this one off a minute. On the back, there's a back cover that goes on here that holds this ring. This ring here that goes around is just basically to constrain the magnets to stop them from flying outwards. Well, there's a back cover that goes on here, so I've got to print two back covers for both of these, which is going to take 11 hours each print. So that's going to be another delay. I'm actually printing one of them now. Ow! God, it chopped my finger then. You know, I'm not kidding you. When this sticks down really hard, it's got an advantage actually because it helps to clamp everything together, helps everything to set, and I don't have to put it in a clamp because the magnets themselves actually make the bottom. I super glue the base, get it off again. The bottom piece. There's a piece of perspex in there, and I super glued it to the red plastic, the ABS, and I needed to clamp it, but it basically clamps. There's the magnets, the back of the magnets. I want to be able to get to the magnets, you see, so I wanted to make it so I could easily get to it at some point in the future if I want to take it apart. Obviously, I'm going to take the front apart, but I can get the magnets out the back, most of them, if I need to change anything, but I shouldn't do. I shouldn't need to change anything. Yeah. Anyway, just a little update on what we're doing at the moment. So I'll let these set overnight, and then the back plates, I'm not going to glue them on. But I'm just going to probably put some tape around to hold the back plates on. Anyway, that's just a little update for now.